Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Lingua Learners. So friends, a lot of students they ask to me why I'm not fluent even though it's been 1 month. And ma'am, I'm not improving because now it's been 2 months. I'm not learning anything. So in today's video, I'm going to share my new ideas with you. Why I'm not still fluent after 10 years. Yes, people say about the time duration because they don't know English is a language and it's not our native language. So for this, I need to do a practice a lot, but they don't think about the consistency and lack of their practice. So yeah, there are few points which I want to share with you so that you can improve your language and you will not make excuses and all, because I did same thing and I have realized from my mistakes. So when people say I'm not improving even though it's been 2 months or 6 months, so yes, friends, they are lacking somewhere in their practice. So a lot of time we say we cannot improve in English because just by virtue of my tutor, just by virtue of my trainer, and I'm putting my efforts here even though I'm not improving. So in today's video only just I want to share with you at your initial days, whenever you feel I'm not improving, just create your creative mind and start saying I'm improving. I'm little bit improving, and check your daily progress. As I say in my all videos, check your daily progress where you are improving a lot. So do your practice on daily basis, because I cannot say. And in my group, I have seen a lot of people. They have been doing their practice for 1 year or 2 years, even though still they are not improved somewhere because just lack of practice. So do your practice on daily basis. Not for English it will work. It will work for each and everything, whatever you want to achieve. And second is your consistency. People say I do my practice 7 to 8 hours on daily basis, but somewhere they are doing their practice. However, they are making excuses sometimes. They say, ma'am, I have a lot of work on my plate. I have to do it. And today I am going to my relative's marriage. Then let's stop it and let's go today. They will leave their practice for 2 days. And what happens? Actually, it happens with me. So I'm telling my experience here. When you leave your practice for 2 days or for 3 days, then what happens? You don't feel like doing it again for 7 days. Literally, it happened with me as well. So yeah, I'm a human being. People say, ma'am, do you feel same problem? Yes, I feel same problem. So yes, next one, stop blaming yourself right now, because in your mind, I always say there are a positive thoughts and negative thoughts as well. But when you push your negative thoughts in front of your positive thoughts, then you feel I'm not improving. So just cut off your negative thoughts from your mind and say always meet with positive people who says you are not improving, Anjali, even though it's been 1 year. So just stop talking to them and meet with the positive people who says, Anjali, I believe on you. You are improving somewhere. Because one of my tutors, here I want to take her name, Supriya ma'am. Pronunciation Way. Her channel name is Pronunciation Way. She used to motivate me a lot. I believe on you, Anjali. You can improve. And within 6 months only, I guarantee you, you will become fluent in this language. So the example in front of you. Yes, people. And forgive your parents, because people always says I did not achieve anything just by virtue of my parents. Just think about those parents who did a lot for you, and still you are blaming to your parents. If you really wanted to do something, then why did you not do? So just forgive your parents, please. Don't say. It's your life. Now you are not a child. When child says, Mama is not giving me food, then it's okay. But if you are grown up and you are saying, just by virtue of my parents, because they are not giving me any classes and they are not enrolling anywhere, so just forgive your parents now. And I have seen a lot of people who don't need any tutor, who don't need any classes because they don't have money. Still, they are improving a lot. Okay, so stop blaming anyone. And next point is very important. When you say, I'm thinking for learning this language, ma'am, I will learn this language after 1 year, after 2 years, and after 2 months because my children's exams are around the corner. So, one question I am asking to you: what are you doing for yourself? It's only one life, dear. Whatever you think, just take your initiative, grab your opportunity, and then start it now. Okay, so why I'm saying it? Because in my case, it's been 32 years. Still, I'm learning this language. Why? Because I didn't think about myself. I was taking care of my family. I was looking after my child all the time. But now I'm looking after about my future, because once you create your future, so that you can create your children's future, your family's future somewhere. So why don't you think about you, dear? And when you say, I will try, ma'am, so instead of saying I will try, say I will do. I will achieve it. Yeah, I know it's little bit challenging, but I will do. And don't measure your time. It's been 1 month, it's been 2 months. Why? Why are you saying it? For Hindi, you have given your more than 30 plus, more than 20 plus. Still you are speaking in English. Somewhere you make mistakes in Hindi as well. Because you say, it's my language, I can make mistakes. So same thing applies for English as well. When you are at beginner level, just open your mouth and try to speak something in English, and then see, you will love to this language, because I loved this language and now it's my soul. It's in my soul now. No one can stop me to speak in English. No matters how much busy I am, but I have to speak. And sometimes I feel my throat pain problem. Sometimes I feel I'm not giving my time to my son, to my family as well. But I'm trying to do somewhere, because I don't want to give up now. Now it's been 7 to 8 months. Even though people are motivating from my videos, one of my viewers, she was saying, ma'am, start making these type of motivational videos. So yes, I will make more videos. And one question, have you ever felt somewhere I'm not still fluent after 1 year, after 2 years? Box or just comment below, because I would love to know from your experience. And yes, so that's it. So in today's video, which I had to share, those things I have shared with you. So yes, please support and like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.